Instead of no illicit sex, what is permissible sex?
Permissible sex means married wife, one must be married, and with married wife, you can have sex once in a month after the menstrual period, and when the wife is pregnant, no more sex. This is control. This is control of sex. Against this, but illicit sex.
Which seems
Even with your wife, while she is pregnant, if you have sex, that is illicit sex. As soon as you violate nature's law, you will be punished. Suppose you are eating, if you eat little more, you will be punished. That is nature's law. If you have more sex life, and then you become impotent, that nature's punishment is there. And if you indulge in all these private things, and that you'll never understand what is spiritual process. That is the greatest punishment. If you do not understand what is spiritual life, you remain as an animal. That is the greatest punishment. Because animal cannot understand what is spiritual life. So, in spite of getting the chance of a human form and body, to keep ourselves like animal, is it not the greatest punishment? If I cannot improve as a human being, I remain on the animal platform, is it not the greatest punishment? So if we do not follow these principles, then we cannot understand what is spiritual life. That means we remain animal.
Is there an end point to the great process?
Yeah?
Is there an end point?
Yeah. As soon as you understand God, then your knowledge is perfect. If you do not understand what is God, then your knowledge will be perfect. The animals cannot be educated about God. A human being can be educated. What is God? Therefore, there are so many books, literature, scriptures in the human society. See, if we don't take advantage of this human life to understand God, then we remain animals.
You've seen people who have understood God and who have been in perfect consciousness that have then regressed or gone back into the other platform.
And that one can go. Because there is relapse. You become released from disease. And again there may be relapse. Any disease, you are for the time in cure. But again you infect. You become again diseased. That is possible. But if you keep yourself quite fit always, and there is no fall down.
Sort of in essence, the path to the Krishna consciousness
is to understand God.
To understand God and to do what is most natural, to follow the natural law.
Essence is to know God and to love Him. That is our purpose. The human life is meant for understanding God and love Him. First of all, the basic principle of understanding is that I am spirit soul. I am not this body. And because I have accepted this body, I have to accept so many bodily troubles. Bodily troubles.
Yeah.
The treatment is required, body, mind, because we have got this body and mind. So my problem is why I have contacted this body and mind. Yes, because I go to treatment for my body because I got this body. But if I don't possess this body, then there is no prescribed treatment.
And this is the last, if you don't have this body.
Our community is, as I have already told, spirit soul is different from this body. Somehow or other, the spirit soul has contacted this material body. And all our troubles are due to this material body. Therefore, this material body is my problem.
Since the spirit and soul and the body are different,